What's it doing? You gonna watch it? I gotta see if I have it hooked up right. Oh, the waters went out of it, it looks like. Oh, there it goes. Look, Remy. Look, look. Come here. I just finished cleaning it like it said to, and cleaned everything. Then I'm just gonna keep it in here, in the living room over here in the corner. And that's where, oh, that is pretty neat. It comes out of there like that. And that's where the water goes in. You have to clean the whole thing. This comes apart, everything. You gonna come check it out? Huh? Come here. Come here. Come see. Come see. Come look, it's water. Look. Come see. You wanna see? Go drink some water. See what this little knob does. I had to take that off, rinse the whole thing. So, oh, I see. This has is the flow button. So let me see. There you go. So it just flows for a little bit. I'm gonna keep it like that because that's how Remy likes it when it's in the all that water came out of there, and I filled it up to here. There's still a little bit in there. I like this. Thank you, Carla. See, Carla got you a water fountain. Come here and look. So I just finished eating dinner. You can come drink your water. You want to drink? Come on. And the filter goes in the inside of there. And right there. Uh-oh. I can't take that off because the water's in there. I just found out where the water went. And the filter goes in there and it filters all the water. Now I understand how it goes. Like that. And you see the water in there and the filter. And yeah. And this comes apart here. You can wash the whole thing. And it recommends to wash it once a week. So yeah. We'll see if he's gonna drink from it. Come here, Remy. He's checking it out. What is this? See, that kitty right there is drinking out of it. That's what you do. You drink right there. See? See, right there. See? That's what you do. You drink just like that kitty does there. I'm going to get me a mat to go under that, a waterproof mat. Right now I just put that old hand towel down. Let's see if he drinks. He just don't know what to do right now, but he's curious. Go drink you some water. This is good water coming out of there. Mm-hmm. Drink you some water. Oh, it's raining outside. Drink you some water. Oh my goodness, it's raining. You're not gonna get wet. You should see me down there trying to show him how to drink out of this fountain on my hands and knees. He's just sitting there watching me. Maybe Maybe he'll go over there in a little bit because he is curious. And then he starts meowing at me. Right, Remy? Oh my goodness. What are you doing? You gonna go over there and drink some water? I already showed you how. And I showed you on the box that the kitty was drinking from the fountain. Drink some water. You want your drink? Go over there and drink some. I know you're curious, aren't you? Are you curious? Well, you don't know what to do, huh?